Reveal, is it rusty or not? That looks horrible. That was not what I was expecting. Hear that? Upstairs, so I can't record it like that. But look at that wheel. We'll put it on the side. So guys, that was not what I was expecting. So I was just buying new fenders. Hard outs on Facebook. You know, they're like $60, $80 for both of them. Let's check the other side now. Alright guys. So I'm just gonna put them back in until I get the new one, until I buy new ones. They're most likely not gonna be red, but they'll be black. So I'll be tearing down. So you can see the bumper is like sideways too. So I'm gonna tear it all down, put it all back new. The bumper I'm gonna paint it red, match it all. So I'm not sure if that'll be now or in a few weeks. The hood is good. The hood has scratches. The hood has scratches. I'll see if we can paint correct it. Watch it quick 6. So guys, that does not look good. I'm gonna have to put them back. It'll look better like that. So, let me take it out. It doesn't look that bad from the outside.